In spite of the fact that no longer a piece of the Italdesign organization, the Giugiaro group of architects are as yet making autos at their new studio GFG Style. The most recent auto from the gathering is known as the Sibilla, and it was intended for a Chinese vitality organization called Envision that fabricates wind turbines and makes vitality administration frameworks. Despite the fact that the mix is irregular, the auto is amazing. We ought to clarify the name before going considerably further, however. As per GFG, the name originates from a legendary Latin character that could give answers and foresee what's to come. This is apparent in the auto, since it includes Envision's working framework for overseeing power. The thought is that this auto would have the capacity to go about as a battery, either putting away or giving power to adjacent structures as required. The name was likewise picked in light of the fact that Giorgetto Giugiaro's mom, Maria Sibilla, shared the name. It may not be a name that moves off the tongue, however that scarcely matters in light of the fact that the auto is lovely. It has a space-age round overhang unhindered by columns, highlighted by a low, wedge-like nose. Due to the substantial one-piece windshield, GFG needed to devise a surprising method to move in. The entire glass vault slides forward when the front entryways are opened. In light of GFG's portrayal, it appears that the inhabitants can keep the windshield in a somewhat forward position, as well, if a Targa-style encounter is wanted. The back entryways have a showy opening framework, also, this time as a gull-wing plan. Inside, there are only 4 seats. The front travelers approach a broad infotainment show filling the curved dashboard. The driver gets a plain-style directing wheel with touch cushions. The back travelers have completely leaning back seats and individual infotainment frameworks. Just a single piece of the auto is somewhat unsurprising, and it's the powertrain. It utilizes 2 electric engines, one in the front and one in the back for all-wheel drive. Correct specs weren't uncovered, however, in depicting the electrical system's administration ability, there is reference to a speculative 75 kWh battery. On the off chance that it utilized such a battery, it would most likely have a comparative range to the section-level Tesla Model S75D, which can go around 260 miles on a charge.